Hello everyone. What I'm about to explain is backed by the mechanics working in this shop, so there's no need to worry. This can be fixed. When the message Lane Departure Alert Malfunction appears on your Toyota, the vehicle is basically saying, I can't clearly see the lane lines right now. This system uses a camera at the top of the windshield to detect road lines and help you stay in your lane. If something interferes with its view, it automatically shuts off to avoid sudden movements or false alerts. Many mechanics agree that most of the time the problem isn't a broken camera. It's that the camera isn't interpreting what it sees correctly. One of the most common and easiest causes to fix is dirt on the camera or windshield. Dust, mud, insects, ice, or even raindrops can block the camera's view and make the system think something is wrong. Many people discovered that simply cleaning the area around the camera carefully made the message disappear and restored normal system function. This also explains why the message sometimes appears right after a pressure wash or during heavy rain. The camera needs a clear view of the road lines, and if there's moisture, glare, or condensation, it can get confused. Some shop customers noticed that the alert disappeared on its own after driving a few minutes or when the sunlight changed, showing that it isn't always a physical fault. If cleaning doesn't solve the problem, the cause may be camera alignment. After replacing the windshield, a minor bump, or driving over rough potholes, the camera can shift slightly. Because it operates with millimeter-level precision, even a small misalignment can trigger the alert. Recalibrating the camera with a specialized tool is usually the definitive solution in these cases. There are also situations related to the battery or electrical system. If the battery is weak or voltage is unstable, the electronic modules may not communicate properly, and the LDA can shut off as a safety measure. Some people solve the issue by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes to reset the system, and when reconnecting it, the message disappeared. Sometimes the problem is less obvious. Loose connectors or damaged wires can cause intermittent errors. The harness that connects to the camera can loosen over time, and securing or cleaning these connectors fixed the problem in several cases reported on forums. Another important detail is that the system depends on road conditions. If lane lines are worn, low contrast, or broken, the system can get confused even if the camera is perfectly fine. That's why some drivers notice the message disappeared when switching to a road with clearer markings.